to imagine a world where skies are clear, rivers are blue, and trees are tall. But over time, something changed. Our home began to hurt. This Earth Day, we students of Sanford The Global School present to you a special act titled Whispers of Earth.
I am Earth, the mother of all my children. Air, water, animals, and humans live together.
I am water. I am clean and fresh. No garbage and waste on me.
I am wind. I am the pure and gentle, and I get charged by the songs of birds.
I am tree. I am tall and I give fruits to all. I never say no to anyone.
I am bird. I live in the forest. I drink water from the river. I live happily here. Oh Mother Earth, thank you for all you are giving us. I protect the air, skies, tree because they are all my family.
The days changed to where the rivers could flow but were choked. The trees were still standing tall but were in danger. This is a planet in pain.
Oh no, my forests are burning, my oceans are drowning in plastic, and my air is filled with smoke.
Oil floats on me. Fishes die. I became dirty.
Now I carry smoke, chemicals, and diseases which make me dirty.
Look at the selfish human. They cut down my brothers to build houses and roads, but they forgot that I give them oxygen. They can't live without me.
My forest is gone. My water a person. I can't survive. Don't you see? If I will go, you are the next.
What have I done? I just wanted a peace, comfort. I did not realize my mistake. What have I lost? Sorry, Mother Earth.
There is still hope, but hope alone is not enough. Let's begin change today, not tomorrow. Let's promise our Mother Earth to save it.
Thank you.